Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Dialga. This guide will walk you through each necessary step to add the legendary temporal Pokémon to your team. We'll cover everything from initial preparations, like completing the main story, to navigating ancient ruins and finally confronting Dialga. Get ready to embark on an exciting adventure and claim one of the most powerful Pokémon in the game. Let's begin your quest. Before you can even think about encountering Dialga, some crucial steps are needed. First, you must have earned all 8 gym badges and defeated the Pokémon League champion. This unlocks the post-game content where Dialga resides. Additionally, make sure you have a Pokémon capable of using the move Rock Smash, as it's essential for accessing a hidden area. A good supply of Ultra Balls and healing items will also be vital for the upcoming challenge. Your journey to Dialga begins on Route 11. Head there and look for a rock that can be smashed to reveal a hidden temple entrance. Inside this temple, you'll need to find and catch 3 specific unknown that spell out the word God. Once that's done, make your way to Mita's town. Locate the temple where your parents were first encountered and interact with the wall to spell out the word Imperial, opening the next path. With the path open, your next task is to collect the Adamant Orb, which is the key to summoning Dialga. Once you have it, return to the Desert Catacombs, also found on Route 11. Inside, you will find a left pedestal. Place the Adamant Orb upon it. This action will summon Dialga, initiating your legendary encounter. Remember to save your game right before this moment, giving you unlimited chances to successfully catch the powerful temporal Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.